We're going to the store now. 4 free packs from FIFA. We are now going to open. Go for the first one. As we open it, we find that we get not a great deal. Philippe, however, will go in my BBVA team, so I suppose that's a bonus. A few contracts, injury card, a couple of kits. I believe I end up throwing all these in the club and putting the silver on the trade pile. I found the quicker way of putting everything in your club later on. I'm a bit slow to these things. Date in store. Right. Now we're going to our second pack. And once again, F4. A few contracts again. Left wing to left back card isn't worth anything now. There's hardly any left wing back players. Oh well. As you're seeing, I've finally found out how to put them all in the club. Second to last pack of the 3 ones that FIFA gave me, and at the moment they've been crap. Oh, slight, very slight improvement. Matthew Jarvis from our hometown Wolverhampton. Should be playing today against Newcastle. That'll be interesting. Send them all to the club. Finally, our last pack. I couldn't read that, even though I know what they were. And once again, Naffle. Thanks FIFA, that was worth the extra £5 of the game. Oh dear me. I thought I'd round it up to 5 by buying a FIFA pack. Quite a large wallet left, but that's just to buy packs on here, so I might do a larger pack video later on when a better team of the week comes out. This does take a little bit of time as they are so slow, but as you'll see, it will slightly be worth it as we open the pack. See, you can probably see there the player was Michel Bastos. Now I had just a quick scour around on the market, and he's got an 11k bid on currently, so I'll be looking what the cheapest buy now is and placing him up for that. Try and get a few more 1,000 coins, which I really doubt it, but hey ho. All to the club. That is all, guys. Cheers, like and subscribe. See ya.